In today's lesson, we are going to discuss how to differentiate exponential functions. So we start with the natural exponential function. So the natural exponential function is an exponential function with base e. E is called the Euler's number and it's close to 2.71. So approximately e is equal to 2.71. And this function is called the natural exponential function. So it's the exponential function with base e. So the base is e. And the graph of this exponential function looks something like this. So it crosses the y-axis at 1 and it keeps on increasing. And the graph is always above the x-axis. So you can see that this function is always positive. So whatever x value you plug in here, you get a positive value. Okay. So for this lesson, we want to know how to differentiate this exponential function. And it has a very simple derivative that we can remember. The derivative of the exponential function is just the exponential function itself. So it's one of the easiest rules to remember. The derivative of the exponential function is just the exponential function itself. So let's do a couple of examples using the exponential function. So the first example we have here is this function. We want to find the derivative of this function. So we have f is equal to 3x squared times e to the x. So if you look at this, this is what? This is a product. So when you have a product, we need to use the product rule. So recall the product rule. In the product rule, you decide what part of the product is u, what part of the product is v. So here I'm going to say 3x squared as u and the rest of the product, which is the exponential part, as v. Once I decide u and v, I just need to find the derivatives of those two terms. So u prime is what? Using the power rule 6x, v prime. Now remember the derivative of exponential function. It's the easiest rule to remember. It is just the exponential function itself. So once we have these four terms, we can use the product rule to find the derivative of the function. So let's recall the product rule. So the product rule is uv prime plus vu prime. So the first term is made up of multiplying these two terms, u and v prime. And the second term in the product rule is v times u prime, which is made up of multiplying v and u prime. So now we have all those four terms, so just plug them into the formula and simplify and you get the derivative of the function f. So f prime of x is equal to the first term u times v prime, which is 3x squared times e to the x plus v times u prime, the second term. So v is e to the x, u prime is 6x. So we can simplify this by taking the common part out. So you can take a 3, an x term, and the exponential function. So then from the first term, what's left is just x. From the second term, just 2. So that is the answer for this question. Okay. So now let's see another example. So in this example, we want to differentiate this function f. So if you look at this, you see it's a quotient. So then you should go to the quotient rule. So u is the top part or the numerator, v is the denominator. So we are going to use the quotient rule. So u is x cube, v is 2 times e to the x. Then to use the quotient rule, you need u prime, v prime. So find u prime. So x cube, u is x cube. So that means use the power rule. Bring the 3 down and subtract 1 power. So 3 minus 1, 2. So u prime is 3x squared. V prime is take the derivative of the exponential function, which is just the exponential function itself. So once we have those 4 terms, let's recall the quotient rule. So this is the quotient rule. So the quotient rule is made up of these 4 terms we found. So just plug them into the formula and you get the answer. Okay, so then f prime of x is, the denominator is v squared. So this is v. So 2 times e to the x squared. Then the first term, this one is made up of multiplying v and u prime. So what's v? V is 2 times e to the x, and u prime is 3x squared. Then the second term of the numerator is made up of u and v prime. So you multiply those two. So you have u, which is x cube, and v prime, which is 2 times e to the x. So you can now simplify this by taking the common parts out. So let's simplify the numerator. So 2 is common, and x squared is common, and e to the x is common. So you can take that out, and then what's left from the first part? 3. And from the second one, you took 2x squared, so 1x is left. So that's what we are left with. And the denominator is 4 times e to the x squared. So now we can cancel 1 e to the x in the numerator with 1 e to the x in the denominator, and we can cancel 1 2 here, so you get 2 here. So then the final answer is x squared times 3 minus x divided by 2 times e to the x. Okay, so those are some examples on how to use the product rule and the quotient rule mixed with the exponential functions. Okay, so in the next lesson, we are going to discuss a very important rule in derivatives, which is called the chain rule. Okay, so see you guys next time.